Friday, September the 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start again with a couple of web cameras across the state of North Carolina. Avalon Pier Cam on the left, Beach Mountain Parkway Cam, courtesy of our friends at ResortCams.com on the right, is 61 there atop Beach Mountain, and 74 at Kill Devil Hills early this morning. Here's your 5 o'clock hour temperatures. A lot of 70s on the board, 60s in the mountains and foothills, and still a very muggy start to the day. Our dew point's still sky high. But some changes are coming here as we go through this Friday. More on that in a moment. Let's go to the tropical update first. Here's a look at the big view across the Atlantic Basin. All right, and we have two active systems, two tropical storms. One is Carl, one is Lisa. Now, Lisa, again, is going to stay out here in the eastern Atlantic and not really bother anybody, maybe heading up toward the Azores Islands. But Carl getting a little better organized now, looking a little healthier now finally. And it is getting better organized by its classification from the National Hurricane Center, too. It is a 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm, about 300 miles south of Bermuda as of the 5 a.m. advisory. And this is going to pass near and maybe just slightly east of Bermuda. Could even strengthen up to hurricane intensity prior to doing so, and then there it goes out through the North Atlantic Ocean very, very quickly. Now, watch this. Here's the wind product from the WaveWatch model. And you notice those purple shades there. That's where you're getting winds sustained over 50-plus miles per hour. And that will affect Bermuda here as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning. So just be aware of that for interest in Bermuda. You're going to have a pretty rough go of it here late today and then especially tonight before things improve greatly by tomorrow morning. Back close to home, still the remnant low pressure of Julia, centered near Myrtle Beach. In the Piedmont zones, some drizzle and some light rain. Not a lot of measurable type of rain left this morning. And I think as we go deeper into the day, a drying trend begins to work in from the north. So watch this. Here's the high-resolution modeling. And you notice as we get into the afternoon, those shower changes becoming more confined to the coastal plain as drier air takes over. So here's the deal. That low pressure slowly continuing to weaken and gradually heading on out to sea as well. Notice the decrease in the cloud cover this region, across the region rather. As you see in the high resolution modeling, get the same idea here. As we get into the afternoon hours, some intervals of sunshine building in, especially up toward I-40. But even down towards Charlotte and parts of South Carolina, the clouds will be decreasing this afternoon. And warmer temperatures too than yesterday. There's this afternoon's highs. And tomorrow, how about this? Tomorrow probably the warmest day for the rest of the year, just ahead of this incoming cold front. A lot of sunshine, and here's our highs for Saturday. So it will be a pretty hot day by mid and late September standards for sure. Now, Sunday, this next backdoor cold front moves through, so we have a bit of a northeasterly flow, kind of a wedge scenario. I think a lot of clouds Sunday, maybe a little light rain here and there, and temperatures accordingly will be a good bit cooler on Sunday. There's what we're going with for highs right now. And Monday, kind of the same deal. We'll be in that wedge scenario with this high pressure building down. So I think Monday features some clouds and some showers. And then Tuesday, here comes that next cold front. I mentioned the models were in terrible agreement yesterday. They're in much better agreement now. This cold front moves through Tuesday. Some areas of showers and thunderstorms. And then a really nice high pressure builds in behind it as we get into the latter stages of the week. And we're talking by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, highs and lows, maybe a little below average. In fact, we see lows well down into the 50s in the Piedmont zones probably by Thursday and Friday. Maybe even a few folks down into the 40s if all goes like this with that high pressure building in late in the week. So when you look at the setup aloft, again, here's the deal. European model, this is today, that upper low that's been with us weakening significantly. We get out to Sunday night. Here comes this big trough diving into the Great Lakes. That's going to drive that Tuesday cold front through here. And so, again, it's a pretty good weather setup. I'll step you through the GFS, and we'll move forward here to Sunday. All right, so this is Sunday on the GFS, that high pressure building down, maybe some showers here and there. Certainly think some showers a possibility on Monday. Tuesday, here comes the next cold front from the west, so some areas of showers and thunderstorms. Then look at this behind it. Really good-looking stuff. That's a look at Friday morning. Big high pressure taking over. And if you're wondering if the European is in agreement for late week, yes, it is. Big high pressure building into the eastern part of the country by the last couple of days of the work week. So looking good. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.